Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to week 2 of Seek, Gather, Create. And it's hosted by Tina Hozart, Laura Dennison, and Lisa Goodart on Instagram. And every Sunday, I think for like 4 weeks for the month of February, they have prompts. And so for week 2, it's an iris, tissue, lace, and something silver. So I've just gathered some stuff, like I have an old book page and just some scraps. And then for tissue, I have a piece of what do you call it, like sewing pattern paper, which is basically tissue. So I've got that, and I've got a piece of lace. And I'm going to paint an iris. I'm going to try to anyway. And then for something silver, I've created like a little dangle from one of the buttons that I'd made previously, and then I added some other like a little silver heart and some other little things on there that I'll probably add on here. So I'm just going to set the little dangle and things like that over to the side. And then I also have some stamps that I received in Happy Meal, and these are of like little flowers and stuff, and these are just going to be kind of like background images. So I thought it would look good with an iris. So I'm just going to put some music on, and it's going to be a quick little video. Alright, so it looks like I'm done now. So I added the little eyelet, the silver eyelet, so I can check that off. We have our tissue, which was from the pattern paper, it's pattern sewing paper. An iris, I tried to draw it or paint it. That's supposed to be my iris flower. And then lace, we have our little lace here. And then I added the flower on there. And then something silver. And I used some silver writing on the iris. And then we've got our silver from the eyelet, as well as our little dangle on there that says love. So this is my Seek, Gather, Create week 2. And I made this cute little tag, which has the double-sided dangle that I made a few weeks ago. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And if you want to play along every Sunday on Seek, Gather, Create, just go to Instagram, and I'll have a link in the description of the hosts, Tina Hoizart, Laura Dennison, and Lisa Goodart. So once again, thanks for watching and happy crafting.